I have 3 easy holiday gifts you can personalize to your loved ones, and in the spirit of giving, I've partnered with another animal rescue organization for an extra special DIY for our furry friends. Make sure you check out the rest of my holiday playlist for other gift ideas and DIYs. Our first DIY will be pins. As you may know, I love adding pins and patches to my jean jacket, and all you need is air dry clay to start your own. I rolled the clay out to about a 1/4 inch thick and cut out regular button shapes, as well as a star. Before the clay dries, you can create some embossing with your knife and make borders, letters, or shapes. I also stuck the pins inside the button before the clay dries, which saves me from having to glue it down. Just take a wet brush to smooth out the clay. I started this longer one pin first so that I would know how long I needed to cut the button. Allow it to dry overnight. The next day, you can lightly sand your pins to soften any unevenness and smooth out the texture. Then with acrylic paint, you can make a little monogram button or go festive with holiday themed pins. I made a host star because that fits most of my friends' descriptions. For the long pin, I wrote Santa's fave for your extra nice friend. Now you have a bunch of lovely pins to gift to someone's collection. These pins allow you to add a very personal touch to an easy-to-make present. If you thought baby booties were cute, you've never seen dog booties. I'm DIYing these rubber wellies with durable oil-based paint for your furry friend that can double as Christmas ornaments. As a special touch, I'll be gifting these to a doggo friend with a donation to World Animal Protection Canada, who works with governments worldwide to save dogs' lives through rabies vaccinations programs, which also saves human lives since dogs are the main transmitter of rabies in vulnerable communities. I am so happy to be supporting animal causes this holiday season. A donation of $25 saves 25 dogs. And dogs that get vaccinated get a dot or a collar so that the community recognizes them. I added little bells to my booties, and that's how I'll recognize where my doggo friends are. I am a plant fiend. Faux or real, I will always find new and creative ways to have greenery around the home. I found these on Pinterest and had to recreate. These are perfect little gifts for someone that just moved into a small apartment, doesn't have much space for plants, or someone starting out their green thumb. These plant pockets are made from air dry clay rolled into about a 1/4 inch thick ovalish circle. Then with another semicircle, tuck the edges of the pocket into the edge of the larger base. Use water to wet the clay and smooth the seams together, holding the center of the semicircle so that your pocket doesn't collapse. Then use a wet brush to smooth out any wrinkles, and with the end of the brush you can poke a hole at the top for wall mounting your plant pockets, though they would make cute table plant slippers as well. Allow drying, and I was going to paint them, but I like the contrast between my plant arrangements and the simple whitish clay. The rest of my holiday DIYs are a must-watch. Hope you can subscribe and give this a thumbs up for some holiday cheer. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you next time.